Morning all, I'm back out using my PW Palm mess tin that I was sent. Cool little mess tin with the little bamboo cutting board. So you just press it in, fold it over, there we go. And I'm going to use the UCO grill that I've got a video of. Just type it into my I'll put it below it actually. So there's a little grill, look, pulls out, easy peasy. So we'll get that set up. Guess where I am? Back down the beach. So here's how you set the grill up, super easy, look, easy peasy. There we go.
I got time, it's clear to see.
So while the little grill's taking a couple of minutes to heat up, I'll prepare my pan. Cool little pan this. I got this yesterday. I had to come back out and test it. I want to see if an egg will stick to it. So I've got some nice chicken sausages. I've got a nice piece of bacon. So I'm going to have 2 chicken sausages. We'll let them cook first. And I've got a nice piece of bacon. Oh my god, you would never believe the heat that little campfire's giving off. So I probably should let the heat die down a little bit, but I'm going to get the sausages on. Trying not to burn them. So there we go, I've got a nice piece of bacon cooking away there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. 2 chicken sausages. Oh yes. So, mess tin's cooking good. So I'm going to add in my eggs next. I've got some nice, delicious, free range, golden yolk eggs. Let's hope that doesn't burn. So there we go, bacon and eggs and my chicken sausage is ready. I'll give you a look. Look. Show you that the egg's not stuck to the pan. I think maybe I need to stick that back on for a bit longer, maybe. Let the egg cook a bit longer, I think. Still a bit yucky. But as we can see, it's definitely not stuck. No, that might be fine actually. So I'm going to tuck into that. I've got some nice tomato sauce I've liberated from KFC. So as I said, I liberated the tomato sauce from KFC. Get that on the chicken sausages. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So as always, it's all nines. Got myself a nice little brew as well, just there. So cheers, thanks for watching. If you could, please give the video a thumbs up. But most of all, I thank you for watching. Thank you!